Hey guys, in this video I'll show you that how you can download and install the latest version of the Python into your PC or laptop. So I will show you guys how you can download it and how you can run the first program in your Python idle. So first open up your any favorite browser and here in the search box just type the Python. So when you type it, just hit the enter and just search for it and you will come across this website of python.org. So just click on that to open this website, and here you need to go to the download section, and now here you will see the Python 3.12.4 download for Windows. So you can just click on that and it will be start downloading this setup of Python into your PC. You can also download for the Mac OS or the Linux by clicking on these other links. So by just downloading this, so here you will see it's completely downloaded and you can just drag and drop this setup into your desktop. So after that, now you can just open this setup and just install into your PC. So now you can just double click on that. So when it was open, here you need to just check this option of add python.exe to path, and also check this option use admin privileges when installing py.exe. So here you need to just click on the custom installation, and here all the options are checked. Click on the next, and here you need to just check this option of install Python 3.12 for all users. So after that you can also click on the install. So now it will ask you for the privileges. Just click on the yes and then it will start installing into your PC, and this process will also take some time and you need to just wait for it until this was completely done. So here you are seeing guys, the setup was the successfully installed, and now you can close it and you can open up the your command prompt. Go to Windows search and type the cmd, and now you can open up your command prompt, and here now you can just type the python, and after that just type the space minus minus version, hit the enter, and now you will see the python, the latest version has been successfully installed. So now just type the Python to go to the Python shell, and here you can just type the any first program, like I type the print and then hello, and just after I can just hit the enter, and now as you can see the hello is printed. So guys, we will run the first program in our Python, and you can go to the Windows search and type the idle, and here you can also open the Python idle, and here you can also run the programs and save the files, so and create the program. So guys, this is how you can download the Python latest version into your PC and run the first program in it. So guys, if this video is helpful for you, so please like the video and also subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you guys in the next video.